The default Home Assistant dashboard is functional but generic. With a few community cards and a better layout, it becomes a useful control center for your home. Here are 5 changes that make the biggest difference. Number 1. Mushroom cards. Mushroom cards from HACS replace the default Lovelace cards with cleaner, more modern components. They show status at a glance with color and icon changes and respond to taps and holds with configurable actions. Install HACS first, then search for Mushroom. 2 minutes of work that completely changes your dashboard appearance. Number 2. Mini graph cards. The mini graph card from HACS adds sparkline charts to your dashboard. Small history graphs that show the trend of a sensor over the last few hours or days. Add one for every temperature, humidity, and energy sensor you care about. At a glance, you can see if your bedroom has been warming up or if humidity is trending toward a mold risk. Number 3, button card, the most flexible card in the HACS ecosystem. Button card is fully customizable. Icon, color, label, and action all configurable via YAML. Use it to create scene activation buttons, one-tap automations, or toggle controls with visual state feedback. A row of button cards along the top of your main view creates a control panel faster than any voice command. Number 4, views for each room. Create a separate tab in your dashboard for each major area of your home: living room, kitchen, bedroom, outdoor. Each view shows only the devices and sensors in that space. Swipe between rooms on a wall-mounted tablet as naturally as swiping through phone apps. Number 5. Conditional cards. A conditional card only appears when a specific condition is met. Show a window open warning card when a window sensor reports open. Show a heating card only when the temperature drops below 18 degrees. Conditional cards keep your dashboard clean during normal operation while surfacing important information when you need it. Start with mushroom cards. It takes 2 minutes and your dashboard immediately looks modern and polished. Add mini graph cards for your sensors, and you will have a useful, at-a-glance home status display. Follow for more Home Assistant tips every day.